Do not forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food, and for regular recipe notifications, click on the bell icon. The moment I think of Bengali sweets, my mouth starts watering, and I think it happens to most of us. But with that also comes the complications of making them in our own home kitchens. But today, let's keep it simple. Let's make Mishti Doi. Hey guys, it's Varun Inamdar and welcome to Rajshri Food. The first thing for Mishti Doi is, of course, to start reducing full fat milk. Well, Mishti Doi is made two ways. The first one is, of course, the traditional way in which the milk is reduced, it's flavored, then it is set overnight. Another way is making it the steam style, which is also known as Bhapa Mishti Doi. In that, you make a mixture of course, palm jaggery, milk, condensed milk, yogurt, and then you steam it. That's another way, and that is for another day. Today, let's see how you make it traditionally. We need to start stirring this on absolute low to medium flame. Ensure that it doesn't stick on the sides, doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. You need to keep stirring this intermittently. You need to keep reducing till it's almost half its original quantity. While that's happening, let's chop in palm jaggery. Now, palm jaggery is a very quintessential part of Mishti Doi. If you do not have it, trust me, the Bengalis will throw you out of the window. Do not make it. We need to chop this nice and fine. Well, all you need to do is break this into small pieces so that it kind of becomes easier to melt away in the milk. Well, Bengalis are extremely sensitive when it comes to tweaking their home recipes. Of course, that's the right way. But trust me, I'll show you a few recipes or few ways in which you can make Mishti Doi without Nolan Good. Of course, we'll tweak the flavor here and there a little with sugar, with jaggery and other few things. But for another day. This milk has taken roughly around 20 minutes to reduce to half from its original quantity. You see, it's become a little thicker, the color has changed slightly, it's got a little few lumps of cream, and that's exactly how we want it. This is the time when we turn the flame on to complete low and add in our chopped palm jaggery. Palm jaggery gives Mishti Doi its peculiar nutty taste, flavor and aroma, and also not to forget its distinct color. Allow this to dissolve completely. We need to turn the flame off once the jaggery is well melted and transfer this in a deep bowl. You will notice shards of cream, and that's exactly how we want it. We need to bring the temperature of this mixture down or till it is just about room temperature. Now, there are two ways in which you can do that. Either you keep whisking it vigorously for somewhere around 3 to 4 minutes, or just keep it aside till it naturally comes down. This mixture has relatively cooled down to room temperature. At this stage, we need to add in a culture, and this is a culture of curd. Let's beat this well. And this lump-free mixture needs to be added to the jaggery and milk mixture. Let's mix this well. This mixture now needs to be transferred in either earthenware or ramekins. Let's do that now. This now needs to be covered with an aluminium foil and kept aside. This Mishti Doi at this stage now needs to be kept aside at room temperature for 3 to 4 hours. Once it sets well, this goes in the refrigerator to chill further. Serve this nice and chilled. For this sweet treat, we need to thank our Bengali friends for introducing this to the entire world. I'm definite you've enjoyed watching this and you'll love having this. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food.